Runtime manager agent architecture diagram. Here you can see architecture diagram in runtime manage agent architecture. The agent architecture is quite simple. Transports handle communication. External message handlers dispatch messages. Services connected to Mule. Internal message handlers dispatch Mule internal message handlers dispatch Mule notifications. The interaction of each component is shown in the diagram below for each of three types of messages. Synchronous and asynchronous and push. How components interact. Below is the outline of typical sequence of component interaction. One, the external system send a request to an agent. Two, the external message handler is executed and calls the Mule service using interface. Three, the Mule service call the Mule to perform the corresponding action. For the Mule response with a notification. 5, the service maps the notification to an agent notification and looks for the internal message handlers that may handle the notification type. 6, the corresponding internal message handlers are executed. Here you can see REST client interacts with the REST transport. Here the REST transport and WS transport are in transports. REST transport interacts with the REST application external handler. The REST application external handler and WebSocket application external handlers are in external handlers. Here the REST application external handler interacts with the deployment, poll management, event tracking, asynchronous or synchronous, and deployment, poll management, event tracking are in agent services, and the then the deployment, poll management and event tracking interacts with the Mule API. Event deployment is connected to WebSocket deployment stage notifier. WebSocket deployment stage notifier and CloudWatch event handler are internal handlers. Here the WebSocket deployment stage notifier is connected to WS transport and WS transport is connected to the WS client, and here the event tracking is connected to CloudWatch event handler. CloudWatch event handler is connected to CW. Here the WS client is connected to WS transport. WS transport is connected to WebSocket application external handler that interacts with deployment, poll management and event tracking. Event tracking is connected and the deployment is connected to WebSocket deployment stage notifier, and WebSocket deployment stage notifier is connected to WS transport. WS transport is connected to WS client, and the event tracking is connected to CloudWatch event handler, and CloudWatch event handler is connected to CW. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.